Today we are discuss about linear programming model. So one of the technique is artificial variable technique. It is an example program for BigGame method. BigGame method, otherwise we have called as methodology method. Otherwise we called as a artificial variable technique. So here we have to be minimization z equal to 4x1 plus 3x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 0 minus 3x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 0 x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 0 and x1 comma x2 greater than equal to 0. It is a non-negative restriction variables, decision variables. So first step, we converted the standard form of LPP is, we have to converted this given problem into the standard form of LPP is minimization z equal to 4x1 plus 3x2. This is objective functions. It's called objective functions. So subject to constraint, in first equation we have 2x1 plus x2 equal to 10. So here we have to be add greater than means we have to be add surplus variable plus BigGame method artificial variable a1 equal to 10. Inequality constraint we have to be, this is a first equations. This is first equation. So in that first equation we have 2x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 0 means we have to be add artificial, this is minus s1 is a surplus variable plus m a1 is BigGame method equal to 10. We have to be first step to form a standard form. Second one is inequality equal to equality. Similarly, this is first equation. This is second equation. So here plus s2 means this equation will be, second equation will be less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to means we add only for slack variable, not for surplus variable. So this is we have to be found. Again third equation will be greater than equal to means we have to be add surplus variable with add an artificial variable ma2 equal to 6. So that step we need to find initial basic feasible solution. Initial basic feasible solution means we assign in that particular x1 decision variable, we assign x1 equal to 0, s1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0 means we get artificial variable a1 equal to 10, s2 equal to, so we are applying here x1 equal to 0 in a first equation, we applied x1 equal to 0 means x2 equal to 0, similarly s1 equal to 0, then a1 equal to 10, here s2 equal to 6 and a3 equal to 6. This is a initial basic feasible solution to create a iteration BigGame simplex method. BigGame method iteration is a simplex table to form a artificial variable, and also here we have had a BigGame methods new variable surplus variable. In objective function also we have to be add with the help of 0 value 0 s1, 0 s2, 0 x3, two artificial variables introduced. This m BigGame method a1 artificial variable and a2 is a artificial variable. This is simplex table like that. We have to be form initial iteration. Here Cv is a coefficient of basic variable, Cij is a objective function value. Here 43000 mn, if this value will be comes under this, we can take this value should be mentioned here. This is a value, and Vv is a basic variable. Basic variable will be objective function x1 coefficient value 4, x2 coefficient value 3, s1 coefficient value 0, s2 coefficient value 0, s3 coefficient value 0, a1 BigGame method artificial value m, a2 m. and in that method we have to be form the simplex table value. Here initial, this is, here we have to be written initial basic feasible solution value. Here we have find out A1, S2, A3. So here in that particular value we have to mention here A1, S2, A2 and solution value. Here we should write this solution value A1 equal to 10, S2 equal to 6, A2 equal to 6, and this CV will coefficient of A1 is M, S2 means coefficient is 0, A2 coefficient is M, and these values are by using this equation we can directly enter this value. By using this equation, this means go through the equation 2x1, 1x1 minus 1 plus m. So here we have to mention 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 because there is no any element coefficient value S2, S3. So similarly, second equation also we have to mention minus 3, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, similarly like that. So again we have to be calculate. We know about Cj, we don't know about Zj. We know about Zj means we have to be calculate Cbi this, and we can calculate this and this value. This and this value means we can calculate 2m plus 3 minus 0, 0, 1 into m, 1m, totally 3m. So similarly we have to be calculate 1m plus 2 into 0, 0, 1m, 2m. Similarly we have to calculate each and every row, every corresponding column. We get minus m, 0, minus m, 0, 0, 16m. And next step we need to find net evaluation value Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj means we have to be, this is Cj value, this is Zj value. Cj minus Zj, then 4 minus 3m, 3 minus 2m, this is plus 0, plus 0, 0 because here m minus m 0, m minus m 0, this is 16m. In that particular column we have to find out most negative value. Most negative value means minus 3. This is entering value. This line, this column we called as a entering variable. This we need to find out the living variable. Living variable means we find out minimum ratio. Minimum ratio means we can divide it 10 divided by 2, 6 divided by minus 3, 1 divided 6 divided by 1. So here 10 divided by 2, 5, minus 2, 6. In this ratio we cannot consider negative value, we can consider only the positive value. This positive value should be minimum value. Here minimum ratio 5, minus 2, 6, minus we are not consider 5 and 6, the minimum value will be 5. So this is living variable. X1 enter the basis, A1 leaving the basis. So here the value will be 2. So we can, the pivot element always be 1. So we can divide the entire row with 1, with divided by 2, and we get pivot element always 1. Otherwise we have to be divide entire column with corresponding value, and we can change this value will be 1. In corresponding column value will be here minus 3 and 1. We can convert it minus 3 into 0. We can change this minus value will be 0 and 1 value will be 0. In became method we have to convert it here, value should be 1, the remaining value will be 0. And one more thing, in became method we cannot use further step this one, because this is already is living variable. In that, here a1 is living variable. In became method we cannot use, but simplex method we can repeat this step until the process will be completed. But became method we cannot, either we can use this dash, otherwise we can delete this column, we can directly use this method. So here also we can find out 1, we can change with the divided by 2, and after that by using this formula I have to be change here 0 and then 0. After that again I have to be check whether this net evaluation Cj minus greater than equal to 0 or not. Again I have to be check the most negative value will be this value. This value is here entering variable. This value called as a entering variable, and this value divided by this value. So value will be 5 divided by 1 by 2, 10. 7 divided by 2 means value will be 14 by 6. Here the minimum value will be, here the minimum value is 10, 6. Here the minimum value will be 2. So this is for living variable. x2 enter the basis and s2 enter the basis, and s2 enter the basis and a2 is leaving the basis. So again we have to be do the same process. So here the intersection value will be 1 by 2. We can divide it into 2 by 1. It will be converted into 1. After that we have to be change the remaining corresponding value will be 0. So here x1 value will be 1 and in corresponding column value will be 0. In before that we have to be here 1 by 2, 7 by 2, 1 by 2. So here pure element will be 1 and this corresponding column value will be 0, 0. After that we have changed everything as per the rules, and we have to be do the net evaluation Cj minus Zj equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. All this Zj minus Cj greater than equal to 0. Then the given solution is optimum solution. This solution value will be, the solution value will be 22. It is a class term. X1 equal to 4. So we take value x1 equal to 4 and x2 equal to, sorry, x1 equal to 4, x1 equal to, we have to take here, this is not because this is coefficient value. We take x1 equal to 4 and x2 equal to 2. So we substitute this objective function x1 minimum set z equal to 4x1 plus 3x2. x1 value will be 4, 4 into 4 plus 3 into 2, 6, 16 plus 6, 22. The minimum set z became penalty value will be 22, and here cross check also same value will be appear. So two value will be comparison of two values, both values are equal. The given solution is correct. Thank you all.